Hi guys, and welcome to a little refresher video on how France was defeated at the beginning of World War II. France declared war on Germany on the 3rd of September 1939. So this was 2 days after Germany had invaded Poland on the 1st of September 1939. France and Britain had a joint declaration of war on the 3rd of September. So by the time France and Britain were beginning to mobilise, Germany had already captured Poland. And there was this kind of 6-month period where there wasn't much fighting going on. Many people thought that maybe the war wouldn't actually happen. And this 6-month period is known as the phony war. But then Germany begins to turn west. So in the spring of 1940, Germany launched an attack on Denmark. And then on the 10th of May, Germany began their invasion of France by going through Belgium, Holland and Luxembourg. So those are 3 countries just on the northeast border of France. And Belgium and Holland and Luxembourg, they were defeated within a few days, a week at maximum, using the German blitzkrieg tactics. Now, France had always been fearful of a German invasion, and that's why the Treaty of Versailles had been so harsh, with the restrictions of 100,000 men in the army and the demilitarization of the Rhineland had been put into the Treaty of Versailles. But France had also built this defensive fortification, and it's important to know that it's a defensive fortification. It is not for attack, it is not for offense, it is for to defend France from Germany. And this fortification was built all along the border between France and Germany. It's called the Maginot Line, and this fortification cost lots and lots of money. However, Germany went around the borderline and attacked through the Ardennes in Belgium, and France hadn't built the Maginot Line up through their border in Belgium because they had always said to Belgium, if there was going to be a war, that they would protect them, so they couldn't put a wall between the 2 countries. So Germany came in through their plan developed by a man called Manstein, and from there it went from bad to worse for France. Okay, so you guys will remember Dunkirk. That's up in the northeast of France, and it was up there that the Germans surrounded the British and French troops in a place called Dunkirk. And this led to, as we went through in class, the British evacuating 300,000 troops from Dunkirk between the 26th of May and the 4th of June. After this, there was no large army there really to stop the Germans from invading France. So by the 14th of June, Germany had taken France, and a week later, on the 22nd of June 1940, France actually surrendered. So Germany took control of the north and the west of France and set up a puppet government, and that was known as the Vichy government in the south. Now in class tomorrow, we'll be putting this into a little account, and we'll be looking at how you're going to get your marks, where you get your marks. Okay.